Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create engaging LinkedIn content. Create engaging content on LinkedIn is crucial for grabbing attention and sparking conversations. One powerful type of content to consider is polls. These are like mini surveys that can tap into current trends or hot topics. Think global events, industry news, or holidays. Sharing your opinion in the poll and encouraging others to do the same in the comments can boost engagement. Posting a poll once a week or even just a couple times a month can keep your content fresh without overwhelming your audience. Another winning format is the PDF carousel post. These visually appealing slideshows can showcase stats, testimonials, or even condensed lead magnets. LinkedIn users love them because they are easy to consume and share. Remember to keep your design cohesive with your brand and include actionable tips to keep your audience engaged. Text-only posts can also be powerful if done right. Grab attention with a compelling hook, like a catchy blog title, and make sure to keep your content concise yet valuable. With LinkedIn's expanded character limit, you can repurpose longer blog posts into engaging LinkedIn content. While LinkedIn articles are an option, they often don't reach as many people as regular posts. So, focus on creating engaging posts that build trust and connection with your audience. Whether it is polls, PDF carousels, or text-only posts, the key is to provide value and encourage interaction. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.